Congratulations to Valencia. It was a tough game, it was a nice game, I think. I want to congratulate my players. I think we deserved this victory. It was leading all game. A few times we fall down with some mistakes. But I think we was fighting in defense, especially we came here without first point guard. I was trying to relax the team because anyway, Valencia, it's a big name for us. This is EuroLeague team. And maybe they took us a little bit like, I don't know what is the reason. Maybe they took us like it will be easy. We was playing relaxed. And anyway, we have a good day in offense, good day for three points, good defense. 92 points scored in Valencia, it's a big deal. I don't talk about, even if I lose this game with the 92 points scored in the Valencia gym, this is something very good. I'm very happy because of this. We take back courage, but we lose few games. We lose few games relatively easy, including some games in Romanian Championship. That's why I'm happy. I don't know about next few games. If we have a chance to go in the next round, they don't think about this. I'm happy because we catch a good game against an unbelievable good team.
En primer lugar, quiero decir que ha sido un partido duro y bonito, al que ha contribuido también Valencia, y creo que lo hemos merecido. Hemos mandado durante casi todo el partido, hemos tenido una gran lucha en la defensa. Venimos aquí sin nuestro primer base, y jugamos ante un equipo que es de nivel Euroliga, que no sé muy bien lo que le pudo pasar hoy en el partido contra nosotros. Quizá pensaron que iba a ser fácil, no lo sé. Me quedo con que meter 92 puntos a Valencia en Valencia es algo muy bueno y estoy muy feliz. Veníamos de perder algunos partidos, incluso en nuestra liga, y la verdad es que no sé qué pasará en este grupo, no sé si nos clasificaremos, no es algo que me importe demasiado ahora mismo, solo sé que estamos muy felices por esta victoria. ¿Tenéis alguna pregunta para el entrenador? ¿No? Thank you, coach.